How to log in to Costco Citi Credit Card account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to Costco Citi Credit Card account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your web browser. On your web browser, search for Costco Citi Credit Card Login. After you search for that, hit enter. And there you will see Costco Citi's website. So there you will see a different option. You will see Costco Citi and Citibank. Head over to the first one here. Let it load. And after it loads, you can then head over to its login section. So there you will see the sign on option on the top right corner after the page loads. Tap on sign on. And after you tap on sign on, it will take you to the sign in page. So right here, you will see this page where you can type in your user ID, your password, and if you want to make it easier for later on, check this box called remember user ID. Then tap on sign on and you're good to go. And that's how you can sign in into your Costco Citi credit card account. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Thanks for watching, bye bye.